Hello and welcome. In this video, we're gonna be seeing what are the different types of instances available. Right now, we have only seen some. For example, we have seen T2 micro. Well, there are a lot of them. Okay, let's see. Let's click on launch instance, and here when we are asked, yes, T2 micro is there. Okay, let's click on this compare and see here 562 instant types are there, right? Okay, so I have already explained you what T2 is. T T is the class of the instance and 2 is the generation. For example, T2, then T3, then A1, C4, C5, various kinds. And the micro, so there are size of instances. Nano is small, and then micro, and then small, and then medium, large, extra large, 2x large, and so on. So these are all the different kinds of instant type. So you can also see here network performance low to moderate. If you really depends on what kind of machine you want. For example, if you want an overall machine, there are different kinds of instance, different classes of instance. Like you see A1, C4, C5. What are these? Let me explain. You can go to this URL and you can watch that yourself. Amazon EC2 instance type, right? General purpose. There are various categories. General purpose is there. Compute optimized is there. Storage optimized is also there. Memory optimized. Accelerated computing for more computational power. Storage optimized. HPC means high performing. So let's go through them a little bit. So general purpose are basically when you want them you want a fairly good network performance, you want a fairly good speed, or good storage. So it's like a overall good machine if you want. These are all the classes that are available inside general purpose. So the T2 that we use, you can see here, it comes under that general purpose. So it also called GP, general purpose. So these are M7 classes, M6 classes, M5s, T. All the classes are under general purpose. So you can see here as well, can be used for a variety of diverse workloads. Ideal for applications to use these resources in equal proportions. Okay, let's see another one, compute optimized. So when we want more computational powers, specifically we use this. For example, gaming server is there, so we will use this compute optimized. So compute optimized are ideal for compute bound applications, benefit from high performance processors. So all the C classes are there. These classes are inside compute optimized. Okay, and you can compare them one by one here. Network bandwidth 12.5, and then large one up to 12.5 or up to 10 EPS only. Memory 4 GB, 2 CPUs. In medium we have 1 CPU, 2 gigs of memory. So these are the comparison. You can do that. Memory optimized, it is designed to deliver fast performance that process large data sets. So when we are for example doing some machine learning task, we want a good storage, a good memory, right? So we can retrieve the data and the process large data sets. So all the R classes, all the X classes are under this, and U class as well are under memory optimized. Then we have accelerated computing. Then hardware accelerators co-processor perform functions such as floating point digits are huge. So for these kind of calculations or graphics processing, data pattern matching, we use these. So all the P class, G class, and you can see TRN, INF. These are all under accelerated computing. Storage optimized, designed for workload that require high sequential read and write access, right? We have large data sets, and we want faster retrieval and faster sending of data. So that are storage optimized, and these are all the classes that comes under this category. HPC, high performance computing, built offer best price for running HPC workload at scale on HPCs are ideal for applications that benefit from high performance processors. Deep learning workloads, so HPC classes are there. These were all the instance types, and you can explore that by going to this URL. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.